You're probably wondering how I got there. Welcome back to Ghana Foreign. I'm Nazim, and today we're going to explore the river of Semuc Champey that runs deep in the Guatemalan jungle. Semuc Champey means the river that hides under the earth. And we're going to follow this river under the earth using candlelight. If you like content like this, be sure to click the subscribe button. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. The natural limestone of Semuc Champey gives the water this deep turquoise blue and makes some of these dope swimming pools. Be sure to check that out in part 2. And special shout out to my friend Viv, who I met like 5 minutes ago, but she was nice enough to help me record. Enjoy. Actually, your video skills were.
Sorry, you have to say like more.
Going in the cave.
Woo. So you have to walk. So should I just keep it on?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. But then you have to walk in front of me.
Oh yeah. Candlelight dinner.
My legs are actually
Going into the cave, they made us wear shoes because in sections it can be either really slippery or some rocks can be sharp. As you can see, I'm the only person wearing a life jacket, but I got no shame. The last thing I'm finna worry about is trying to swim. First step with the shoes when your socks start getting all wet. I didn't like that.
You don't?
You screamed.
Thank you. And now it's your turn.
Oh, no face paint for me.
Yes,
We're almost to the end. My overall thoughts on the cave is that it is not as claustrophobic as you would expect a cave to be. Also, I would recommend this to anyone. There's no prior training or experience needed. If you want to learn how to plan your own trips, check out my planning series and let me know your favorite part in the comments. And you can always connect with me on Instagram at Guatamala. See you next time.